Good morning, everybody. Guess what? We're almost in Jamaica. There it is. Because I can see the other cruise ship, so I know that's where we're going. It might be raining over there. I'm not sure. But we're going over there. So today we have two really fun activities planned. And they involve water, so it's going to be a lot of GoPro vlog today. And one thing I noticed about the GoPro is the microphone sometimes is really quiet. So I'm sorry if you had to turn up your volume on your computer to hear GoPro vlogs. I can't take this camera where we're going, so it's gonna have to be the GoPro. But we're on our way to get breakfast right now. It is raining. But we got blue skies right there.
People just blocked all the windows.
Aww. And we're just finishing breakfast. Ran into some guys that watch our videos.
Yeah.
Hey!
From Chicago. I love your videos. You guys are so funny.
Well, thanks. What's your name?
My name is VJ.
Thanks for watching, man.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Leon.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
You guys have a fun day.
Alright.
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. So what we're doing today, Jamaica has this really cool waterfall hike, and I don't know too much about it, but I think you have to be like really close to each other because it gets like really narrow and you have to hold on to each other and stuff, and apparently it's really fun, so we're gonna do that. Then also we're gonna do some swimming with dolphins. But we have to get down there pretty soon. We have to meet at 10 and it's 9:30. We're walking out. Jamaica.
Where do you find diamonds here? There's like so many diamond shops.
Right by the dolphins. Oh, I see them. Yeah, I saw them. It's a jungle in here. Beware of falling almonds. Mary! Thank you.
Oh,
we're good.
Anybody else?
The world famous coffee. We're coming.
Parrots right here, no man. Parrots and rabbits right here.
Oh, that's a hot. Hey, parrot. Oh, look at that one back there. Oh, he's cool. Aww.
You.
Ah,
Feels weird.
yeah, he does. Going to the stingrays. Sure.
Try getting one of those things on.
What? Starting the hike to the waterfall. I have no idea what to expect. Sounds fun.
Give me a yaman. Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
All right, what about you?
I like this.
Whoa.
I like my
Whoa. Going up the falls. We're literally going up the falls.
This is so cool.
Thanks for the tour. My shoes are officially soaked. I have an entire geology lab in my shoes. Me hungry, me tummy empty.
Me belly
Me belly
empty.
empty.
Me want sinting.
Me want empty.
Sinting.
Sitting.
Finyam.
Finyam.
Alright.
Ah.
Yeah, you get the patois right, right?
Yeah. Am I Jamaican now?
Yes, you're one day Jamaican.
Yay. Yeah, man.
You are when you're hungry, that's about it.
You know it and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, say yeah man. Yeah man.
Doing a little shopping now. Got a present for Dad. Also, this Hellfire sauce. She said it was the hottest one in the store, so we'll see. Now it's time to see how many rocks are in my shoe. That's a lot of rocks. This is a cool little area. Got so many wooden carvings here.
Well, we're back from all the activities on the island. I just think it's cool. You can see all the people like grilling out here. It's like, they're making dinner, they're making dinner, they're making dinner. Jamaica is an awesome place. I love it.
You got a few souvenirs as well. Yeah, man. Let's go.
Got our new shirts on. Yeah. Yeah. We're looking good. Tonight's dinner, we're gonna have Johnny Rockets. I want a hamburger. Happy ketchup.
Now he's crying. These straws were cool though, what they did with the wrappers. I do enjoy this shake. You?
Yeah.
Alright, we did another wardrobe change because we were cold.
But that's okay. And my shoes are soaking wet, so I have to wear flip-flops, which I don't like.
We're gonna have a Sudoku competition. We're gonna see who can finish their puzzle the fastest. Are you ready?
No, my pen's not.
Your marks? Get set, go.
Good night. Mary won.
Good job. I got a glitch up on this number, so I had to start over. Yeah, I kept glitching up. I don't know why. I'm usually pretty good at Sudoku, but...
Well, I had yesterday to warm up. I did yesterday.
Not fair. I just got back from the casino. I just learned how to play craps. I've never played craps before, so I wanted to learn how to do it, and I was the only one there, so it's a good time to learn. On the first day here, they were giving away these free cups. Santa Coke cups. Pretty cool. There's also a Coke machine downstairs, so we're gonna go see if they have any yummy drinks, like lemonades or something. Man, this is some impressive art. A balloon. Whoa, they got some good water flavors.
Grape?
Ooh.
Can try grape water?
Yeah. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, Dad vlogs. Hey Mary,
Yeah.
where are we going?
To the theater.
What's at the theater though?
I don't know. I don't remember what it's called. Well, I know what it is, but I don't remember what it's called.
It was some sort of game.
It's like the marriage game.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. The marriage game. Should be pretty funny, so go check it out. Love and Marriage Game Show.
So anyone has been married for less than a year? Woo! Ah, quite a few. All right. If you want to play, just stand
Mary
up.
does
If you want
not
to play,
wanna
and you've
play.
been married for less than a year.
Mary
Oh,
doesn't
she's
want
got
to
her
play,
beer
so we're not
already. I
gonna
like
play.
that.
Mary doesn't want to play. Beer already.
All right.
Well, that was a funny show.
So funny.
I was actually laughing pretty hard. And this really old couple that just kept giving the funniest answers.
The lady was just killing it.
I know. The wife? Oh man. It was a TV show, right? The Love and Marriage Game. Anyway, they have 3 couples on there, and they take the ladies into the back and they ask the guys questions, and the ladies come back out and then they have to guess what the guys said, and then they do the reverse. It's pretty funny. I was laughing because I had the old couple there had been married 59 years, and then the youngest couple had been married 7 days. They asked the husband and wife from the old couple what their advice for the young couple to make their marriage last, and they both said they get separate TVs in separate rooms. It was funny. So get separate TVs.
We have 2.
But anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'm a little disappointed that we weren't able to get any vlog footage of swimming with the dolphins, but they said you can't bring the camera in there because it could scratch the dolphin. So that's sad for vlog, but that's okay because we don't want to scratch the dolphin. We took mental pictures. We will not upload them. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna be in Grand Cayman. So that'll be super fun. We're doing some fun stuff. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.